Hi there, my name is William, and today I'm here to talk with you about a product I found recently on Amazon. If you've seen my previous video on magnetic USB cables, you'll know I'm into things that make connecting devices simpler and easier and faster, reduce the risk of causing damage. And so recently when I was needing to do some stuff in my yard with setting up sprinklers for the summer and other things like that, I looked for and found these. It is a little not magnetic, but physical quick disconnect unit for hoses. Snaps together, pull this back, you can pull it apart. Works extremely well. These are from a company called Gardena. I found some other brands online as well, but these seem to be the most widely available and best. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's a German company. And these are metal ones. This is almost entirely metal except for the O-ring here. This part here is plastic, but the actual contact area is all metal. They also make a plastic version, which I have one of as well here. These are only about half as much. These are around $6 or $8 per piece. The metal ones are more like $12 to $15 on Amazon per piece. So it gets a little bit pricey, but the reviews on the metal ones were a bit higher. The plastic ones people talked about sometimes cracking under strain and pressure or wearing out easier, things like that. More likely to lead to leaks effectively. So rather than pay for something multiple times perhaps over time or suffer leaks, I went ahead and just went straight with the metal ones. They come in 4 varieties. Basically the plug end here with threads either on the outside or inside, male or female, and then same deal here, the moving attachment end. I don't know exactly what properly to call this. Again, you can get it with male or female threads. I decided to standardize on these 2 types, the male and female specifically, so that I wouldn't have to worry about which end of a device can connect to which other end. It should all go in series in all my applications. And I thought it might actually be helpful to show you guys them in use outside. So if you'll come with me, we'll take a walk. And here you can see one of these devices in action. You can see the 2 parts that I showed you earlier here. And then this is just a sprayer nozzle on the end. And if I turn this on, out comes water. But if I choose to disconnect this, that comes out, and now this actually stops any water from coming out as well. So you don't have to worry about having something disconnected and forgetting and turning water on and having to spray or waste water somehow. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it very well, but you can see right through that. And I've got these on some other places too. I'll go show you. Out here in the backyard, I actually use these in a bunch of different places. You can see some here on one of the sprinkler heads, and then I've actually got them back here as well. Here's my sprinkler control system, and you can see a bunch of them there. Another one again is in use over here on the sprinkler head, and then I've also got them set up here. Again, just having a quick disconnect in all these places makes it super simple whenever I do need to hook up a hose or to change how the sprinklers are set up. It takes just a second or 2 to disconnect and connect them instead of having to thread and unthread things and put on new plumber's tape to keep them sealed and all sorts of stuff. So I've been very pleased with these. Again, bit of an investment up front, but well worth it, I think. Thanks for watching.